Hey there people, this is Game Dragon, nearly asleep but still playing another VLDC 12 entry. It's made by the only user starting with P, and that's PokerFace to be exact. Actually, this is going to be a really awesome entry, just because I played it last time and it really was great. Only one part was kind of annoying, but other than that, great. Anyway, let's see what the user has for me to say. Rainy ruins, that's the intro, right? And that's the message apparently. Good use of graphics for the layer 3 message, you know. Anyway, let's see. Rainy ruins. Quite a great submap here. Let's see what I'll see. Very nice start so far with the waterfalls and animates the ground underwater, and of course the rest. Even there's some splashes over there too. That's nice. Also, first coin collected and enter this pipe now. This is the part that really shines really shines about this entry. The attention to detail given here. But we were those walls that that are actually not connected, but otherwise quite great. Let me check something. That's layer 3 over there, just to be sure. Anyway, like Koopas enter this pipe here. For this section with the booze. Anyway, it wasn't too bad. Next one is the underwater part, and how about those platforms to persevere? As I mentioned before, great entries so far. This part's actually a bit confusing. There seems to be no idea where to go, that's why. Anyway, enter this pipe here for a dragon coin. One moment please. Yes, I can go over there a bit more. Anyway, we enter this pipe here. We got a great music song for this entry. Enter this door over here if I can, yes. Here's where I must raise water to progress. Just need to find that thing over there. Looks like a coin of some kind. Anyway, enter this door now. And follow that over here. Okay, mushroom things. Of course, go up here for this pipe that leads to the some section with the midpoint, I suppose. A bit weird looking, but still not too bad. Enter this pipe here. Not so nice wave so far. There's layer 2 in action. Hey there big boo, what's up? I just want to ride on to you. Wait, boo circle over here. Should be easy to progress now. Still managed it. This water looks a bit weird, but not too bad. Also, patience is a virtue throughout the finished PokerFace's entry. Anyway, enter the pipe, and that looked very weird. Water is rising upwards here. Is that a cutoff or not? Anyway. To progress you have to be a bit low. And yes. If you want to have a chance that this is exactly what you must do. Don't try to go above because it will be more trouble this way. Anyway. Up on this platform over here. That wasn't too bad at all. Oh, what the hell? That was quite weird actually, but anyway. This is the extent and I'm done with this entry. Very awesome indeed. The problem with the bats was actually a bit difficult. I just showed you a trick on how to bypass that area quite easily. Anyway, Game Dragon, bye.